Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Welcome to the Hope School and College Mirwa Garshani. In the previous video we have done of some topic of chapter 8 biology book from 9th class. Now here we again discuss the two topic of chapter 8 biology book, human digestive system and functions of all organs. So first is, what is human digestive system? Human digestive system is used for breaking down food into nutrients which then pass into circulatory system and taking to where body are needed. And other topic is function of organs. All organs play the important role in our body. So first function of organ is liver. Function of liver is breakdown and buildup of many biological molecules. Second is the small intestine. Small intestine help in the complete digestion. Pharynx help in the swallows. So other is esophagus. Esophagus help in the transport food. Function of stomach in store and food, pepsin and digest protein. Functions of rectum help in stores and explicit faces. So like and subscribe, don't to forget watch. Thank you so much.